general purpose as possible, just on a conceptual level. I know it's looking a lot like Java, but you can do identical sort of things in C++ or Objective-C, all these kind of languages.
So this is the model.
This is inside the model, which is at the bottom layer. In a real program, it would be a lot more complex in what it manages. If you can imagine, you had some sort of financial application where you had like thousands of accounts, and all the accounts and all their calculations are done in the model. But you obviously have your view layer on top that you want to be able to see what the numbers in each of the accounts are. And you can kind of see how it would get complicated when you have maybe different views, like you might have a graph view of the various accounts and all sorts of things. But what the view only ever really does is it extracts data from, well, like extracts is the wrong word really. It's kind of, the view never really queries the model for its information. The model broadcasts information when it changes. And hence why you can get an application, you can leave it open and it'll sit there doing absolutely nothing. Nothing will change on the screen until something in the actual state of it changes.
So in the case of the controller, would it basically just communicate between the model and the view?
Yeah, the controller only really provides an interfacing thing that it'll accept a command and then output pretty much the same command. It might do some bit of logic depending on if the user clicks plus, call the +1 method. If the user clicks minus, use the minus method. So well, we don't have a minus method in this one, but you can kind of see it would deal with the interpretation of what the user's intent is and translate that down into the code that we're dealing with. I saw this as well. I think we'll